Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I will be making a salmon marinated with strawberry, jalapeno and balsamico vinegar. Gonna be an interesting combo, so hang on and let's start. The ingredients in this dish is marinated salmon. With the salmon, of course, I have just about a pound of that. Strawberries, jalapenos, using balsamico vinegar, some olive oil and cracked pepper. They'll all be mixed together and marinated in a Ziploc bag. So let's start making the marinade. First thing I start to do is to mash the strawberries. Yeah, this is it's a consistency you would like to have on it. Nice and runny. Time to add chop up the jalapenos. I'm slicing it up at first, and then I'll chop it up to small pieces. Smells good. For this I'm going to use one jalapeno. Finely chop it. And add it to the strawberries. I think this will be a subtle mixture of sweet and heat. Then I'm going to add the liquids. 2 tablespoons with balsamico vinegar. Those 2. Then 3 tablespoons with the olive oil. 1, 2, 3. And just about a teaspoon cracked pepper. Now we have all the ingredients in. I'm just gonna mix it together. Oh, smell is fantastic. This will be an interesting marinade. Okay, salmon filet goes into the Ziploc. I'm gonna pour in the marinade. stuff in there. And I got a few slices, whole slices of the jalapeno just for decorations. Get as much air as possible out of the Ziploc bag and just tighten it. Get an even coating. And then into the fridge for a couple of hours. Could marinate it overnight, but I'm feeling frisky, so I want to have this for lunch. Okay, time to get it on the grill. Easier, do it by the hands. Look forward to this one. Sizzling, the smell is fantastic. Okay, the plate up. This is good stuff. Have some potato salad on the side and a Corona. Okay, plate is done. Time to do the taste test. It just flakes up real good. Really pick up the fruitiness from the strawberry and a subtle heat from the jalapenos. This is really good stuff. Got some potato salad on the side. This you gotta try. Fantastic. Alright, thanks for watching. This was an easy meal, quick, easy to do. So thanks for watching. Cheers.